أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. وَالذَّارِيَاتِ ذَرْوًا. If you remember nothing I tell you about this surah, just remember this is the surah of rizq. This is the surah of rizq. Allah says, I swear by winds that blow and scatter. ذَرَى. الرِّيَاحُ تَذْرُ التُّرَابُ وَغَيْرَهُ. The winds that scatter dust and other things other than dust. They scatter it everywhere. What else do winds scatter? Now we know they scatter the clouds. They scatter pollen. Basically they scatter life. And so the ayah is already beginning with the life-giving quality of winds. You see, when you say mursalati urfa, fal'asifati asfa, another surah is coming. Is there drilling going on? Is that what that is? Okay. When Allah talks about winds, you can talk about winds in two ways. Winds as means of delivering life, and winds as means of delivering death. This surah begins, winds delivering life, sustenance, provision. فَالْحَامِلَاتِ وِقْرًا. Then they're carrying heavy burdens, meaning heavy clouds are being carried. And the heavy, components of life, the pollen, is being carried by means of the winds. The bees are being carried by the winds. فَالْجَارِيَاتِ يُسْرًا. Then they swim and they flow with such ease. Then I swear by them, فَالْمُقَسِّمَاتِ أَمْرًا. Then they're the ones that divide up the matter, meaning Allah has decided which land should get wind, which land should get rain, which land should just get dirt and dust, which land should get the bees, which land shouldn't get the bees. Now we're learning that bees are becoming a problem in the world. Bees are disappearing. Where's the wind taking them, So فَالْمُقَسِّمَاتِ أَمْرًا. So they thoroughly distribute the budget of Allah. This nation has this budget. You know how we have a GDP? Right? In Allah's rizq, we also, the world has a domestic product. They have a budget. This one gets this much water, this one gets this much produce. إِنَّمَا تُوعَدُونَ لَصَادِقٌ. No doubt what you have been promised, it really is it's true. لَصَادِقٌ. وَإِنَّ الدِّينَ لَوَاقِعٌ. And no doubt the judgment is about to happen. Truly about to happen. واقع is going to take place. وَالسَّمَاءِ ذَاتِ الْحُبُقِ. And I swear by the sky that has multiple pathways in it. حُبُقِ. الطُّرُقْ الَّتِي تَسِيرُ فِيهَا الْكَوَاكِبِ. The roads that the stars take are called حُبُقِ. وَإِنَّكُمْ لَفِي قَوْلٍ مُخْتَلِفٍ. No doubt about it, you people have different ideas. You are talking about very different things. Meaning all of you, do you know how like stars they go in different directions? And there's so many variations. All of you have different philosophies on life. إِنَّكُمْ لَفِي قَوْلٍ مُخْتَلِفٍ. Everybody's got their own take. يُؤْفَكُ عَنْهُ مَنْ أُفِكْ. And you people are, the one who will be turned away from the message, from the real word of Allah, is the one who's already turned away. Very interesting ayah. يُؤْفَكُ عَنْهُ مَنْ أُفِكْ. What does it mean? The one who turned away from the creation of the skies and the earth and didn't reflect on them, didn't reflect on the wind, didn't reflect on the sky. He's already denied the ayat of Allah. He's already turned away from them. And if he's already turned away from them, then he's going to turn away from revelation too. So the one who's already turned away from the reflecting on signs of creation is obviously going to turn away from reflection on the revelation. قُتِلَ الْخَرَّاسُونَ. May those who keep making wild guesses about reality, about the deen, about what's going to happen after death, about the unseen, who keep making up wild philosophies, may they be destroyed. قُتِلَ الْخَرَّاسُونَ. See, first it was قَوْلٌ مُخْتَلِفٌ. We all have different worldviews. And now Allah says, most of your worldviews are just wild guesses. And you really try hard to sound like you know what you're talking about. الَّذِينَ هُمْ فِي غَمْرَةٍ. Those that are they're flooded, they're overwhelmed. جَهَالَةٍ غَامِرَةٍ فِي غَمْرَةٍ سَاهُونَ. Heedless. غَافِلُونَ عَمَّا أُمِّرُوا بِهِ. They're completely unaware of what they're commanded to do. عَمَّا أُمِّرُوا بِهِ.